everyone, a very good day. I am Anagha from 3rd Aster. Guess where I am now? I am in the garden of our school. Look at all the beautiful plants and flowers. It's all blooming with excitement. I feel so refreshing. Have you ever wondered why plants and flowers are so important? I would like to tell few things about gardening and its importance. Plants are the basic component of nature. So what is gardening all about? It's about preparing soil, planting, watering and caring for new plants. Growing ornamental plants like these require nipping, pruning and cutting. Maintaining a garden requires a lot of hard work, patience and it must be done regularly. There are different types of gardens like roof wild garden where plants and trees are grown in natural habitats without much of our care. Kitchen garden where we grow different types of vegetables like tomato, brinjal, chili and herb plants like mint and coriander all for cooking purpose. All these around me are formal garden where plants are grown in an organized way, look beautiful. There are other types of gardens like roof garden, indoor garden, container garden and many more. Container garden is where plants are grown in only pots of different sizes and shapes. Gardening has many benefits. We all know that human activities have a serious impact on our environment. Plants help to generate fresh air by taking carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen into our surroundings and reduce pollution. Plants also help to prevent soil erosion. Gardens provide home for many creatures like birds, insects, and worms. Gardening helps to grow our own fruits and vegetables, which are not exposed to pesticides and chemicals, to ensure that the food on your table is healthy. Gardening teaches us important things like patience, responsibility, and how to take care of living things around us. As a part of our responsibility, let us try to grow plants around us. It is like growing life around us and within us. Thank you.